The Shark Stratos is a relatively new line of vacuums from Shark that launched in late 2022. All models have strong suction, self-cleaning brushes, and special tools for removing pet hair. In today's video, we're going to look at the 3 flagship Stratos vacuums, including the upright, cordless stick, and corded stick. This video is sponsored by NapLab. NapLab is our sister channel where we put mattresses to the test. We test mattresses through our battery of 9 different tests to create the most objective, transparent, and helpful reviews possible. If you're in the market for a new mattress and need help, visit us over at naplab.com or on our channel at YouTube. All 3 vacuums had excellent performance across all of our tests. At Modern Castle, we perform objective and data-driven tests that measure cleaning performance and overall usability. Our Shark Stratos review is based on 12 different tests on 3 different types of floors with 4 different types of debris. We lay the debris on each floor type and run each vacuum over it on max suction power with a single forward and single backward pass. Cleaning performance across the board was fantastic, with each vacuum scoring over 95% for overall debris removal. The Shark Stratos upright outperformed the other 2 vacuums, but the difference was negligible. All 3 models did a great job of removing small and large particulates. The Shark Stratos corded stick did a fantastic job, especially on high-powered carpets, where it removed 99% of all debris. It struggled a bit with rice and cereal on hard floors, but these issues can be avoided by making more passes. The Stratos upright removed 98.3% to 99.5% of all debris, depending on the type of floor. Unlike most vacuums, it did not struggle with cereal and other large particulates. We've encountered some issues in cleaning up the sugar on high-powered carpets, but everything else went perfectly. Last, we put the Stratos cordless to the test. This model is supposed to have the highest suction power of any Shark cordless vacuum, and based on our test, we can say it did a great job. It performed slightly better than the Shark Stratos corded stick, but it struggled with kitty litter and sugar on high-powered carpets. However, it still removed 100% of the rice and cereal spilled on the carpet. To test long hair performance, we place 1 gram of long hair on hardwood floor and run each vacuum over it on the max suction power. We then check the brush roll for tangles and the floor for any remaining strands of hair. Both the upright and cordless had 0 issues with long hair. All of it was removed from the floor and none of it tangled. Since the corded version was tested with an older version of our long hair test, we don't have the exact measurements for how much hair was tangled, but we can see a small amount of the hair tangled around the brush roll. It was minimal and easy to remove, but still the worst performer of the 3 models. Our pet hair test put the Stratos vacuums against 1.0 grams of pet hair on high-powered carpet. We run the vacuums on their max suction setting and check the floor post-test for any remaining hair. All 3 vacuums had no issues with pet hair, completely removing it from the carpet fibers. We also test how well the vacuums are sealed. The best vacuums are completely sealed systems, ensuring that none of the debris that you're cleaning up escapes back into the air. To test this, we use a smoke machine aimed directly at the vacuum, shooting small bursts of smoke into the device. While the vacuum is on, it sucks in the debris and shows how well the device is sealed. All 3 vacuums were completely sealed, not releasing any smoke. Their ability to fully contain smoke indicates that they are also able to fully contain the smallest dust particulates. To measure the wind speed, we place an anemometer against the opening of the tube connecting to the vacuum. We run the vacuums on each mode and measure the miles per hour, the amount of inward suction created by the vacuum. On screen now is the table showing the wind speed for each device on each mode available. Surprisingly, the cordless stick had the highest wind speed on the highest suction setting at 19.5 miles per hour. The upright and corded stick had lower wind speeds, but despite this, still had strong cleaning performances across the board. Both the Shark Stratos upright and Stratos corded stick must be plugged into an electrical outlet for power, offering endless runtime. The Stratos cordless, on the other hand, can run for over 60 minutes at a time. We tested the Shark Stratos cordless in 2 power modes to see how long the battery would last. The Eco mode uses the least power, allowing the vacuum to run for approximately 80 minutes. On Boost mode, the vacuum has the highest suction and it was able to run for 14 minutes. The vacuum also has the Clean Sense IQ mode, which is an auto mode, so your runtime is going to vary depending on floor type and how dirty your floors are. Noise levels for the 3 devices fell in the 65 to 76 decibel range, with the cordless stick vacuum being the loudest at 75.8 decibels. We test the noise levels using a sound meter from about 3 feet away from the device. We run the vacuums on each mode and measure the level of ambient noise in the room as a comparison. On screen is a table showing the full noise data for each vacuum. While the cordless was the loudest, it wasn't by much. All of the vacuums are going to be loud while running, with the stick vacuums being slightly quieter on their eco modes. Here's what each vacuum sounds like on each mode. As far as usability go, all three vacuums, including the corded versions, are super easy to set up. The primary maintenance tasks include keeping the brush roll clean, washing the filters at least once a month, and emptying the dustbin as needed. Also, you'll want to replace the odor-neutralizing cartridges twice a year or as needed. While they are all part of the Stratos line, there are some notable differences between each version. Additionally, the stick variants can be used in handheld mode, while the upright cannot. That said, the upright's dustbin can be removed from the device and used more like a canister vacuum. All three versions of the vacuum include headlights for visibility. The corded stick lacks the multi-flex wand that the upright and cordless versions have. Dustbin capacity also favors the upright, having 1.48 quarts of space available. In comparison, the sticks are about half that size, with the corded having 0.79 quarts and the cordless at 0.72 quarts. The three vacuums have similar accessories with very similar cleaning heads. The only exception is the Shark Stratos upright with TruePet upgrade, which includes 8 different tools with some cool extras. The table on screen shows the comparison of what accessories are available with each model. As you can see, the Stratos upright has the most attachments that come with the base model of the vacuum. On top of this, it has many more attachments that come with the TruePet upgrade. So, which Shark Stratos is right for you? I would recommend the corded Stratos stick vacuum for people who want the convenience and size of the lighter weight stick model, but don't want to have to deal with a battery and want the convenience of the cord. The corded stick removed 96% of all debris and 99% of the stuff spilled on high-pile carpets. In addition, if you have pets, the corded stick is a great choice. It removed all of the pet hair on the floor with just 2 passes. Its brush roll can remove the hair stuck in carpets and upholstery, making it easier to keep your house clean during the shedding season. The Shark Stratos upright can be a good choice if you want a large dustbin. The dustbin on this upright vacuum can hold up to 1.48 quarts of debris. Therefore, we would recommend the Stratos upright for people living in bigger homes or those who just have a lot of cleaning to do. Additionally, it has superior cleaning performance. The upright removed 98.9% of debris in our test, plus 100% of all pet hair. Moreover, it did a great job on all 3 floor types. Lastly, it has a large selection of accessories. It includes a larger number of tools than the other 2 models. The TruePet upgrade version comes with 3 cleaning heads, a crevice tool, an upholstery tool, and a flexible wand. The Shark Stratos cordless is amazing if you want the best usability and most convenience. In addition, it's incredibly lightweight at just 8.9 pounds, and the Flex Wand allows for compact storage. Its cleaning performance was just as good as the Stratos corded stick, removing 96.6% of all debris by type. At the end of the day, all 3 of these Stratos models are incredibly high-performance cleaning machines. Ultimately, it's really hard to go wrong with any of them. Well guys, that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Comments or questions, please drop us those notes down below. If you're interested in buying any of the Stratos models, we've got a link in the description. For more from Modern Castle, be sure to get subscribed, ring that bell, and visit us over at moderncastle.com. As always, thank you so much for watching.